Back in 2012, we had just wrapped up the European rally in Budapest. On the way back home, Rex and some of us went to the Netherlands for the groundbreaking of the new central warehousing project that eventually became known as Forever Direct. We flew into Amsterdam. It was a cold, rainy February afternoon. As we stood there in the mud, it was difficult to picture what this new facility would look like. Earlier this month, we were back at Forever Direct. Thanks to the lifting of travel restrictions, we had the chance to visit Forever Direct after a 2-year gap. As I stood in the packing area, reminiscing with Remco Benneker, our Director of Finance, about the ups and downs of getting the business moving, I couldn't help feeling a sense of awe and pride at what had been accomplished. Peter Van Eek, our Director of Operations, reminded me that our award-winning facility now employs over 250 local team members that service over 102 countries. All of this is supported by state-of-the-art machinery that is controlled by the most advanced logistics computer systems in the world. This combination of systems and people is capable of processing over 100,000 orders every month. Isn't that incredible? As we stood there, boxes, products, literature, and merchandise are moving in every direction all around you, yet they still maintain over 99% accuracy rate on deliveries to you and your customers. It is incredible what can be achieved with an idea, passion, professional leadership, and a no-quit attitude. These qualities are demonstrated throughout Forever Direct, and that starts with Gary Shreve, who leads Forever Direct and all of our logistic operations around the world. We are all very proud of Forever Direct, but it can be said that other companies have great facilities and systems that they are proud of too. But I promise you this, that is where the comparisons end. When it comes to what matters most, our people are second to none. They are the very best in the industry. During the pandemic, we did not lose one workday. Through lockdowns, sickness, and distractions, they never stopped. They do this to ensure that our European FBOs have what they need when they need it. I love to walk through this sprawling building and catch up with old friends, especially in our social workers area. Many years ago, Forever Direct began a most rewarding partnership with the local government. Together, we provide work opportunities for special needs members of the community. I asked our general manager, Niels Hommel, about this special relationship, and he told me this: at Forever, we focus on what people can do instead of what they can't. Forever Direct is more than a corporate success story. It is a triumph of vision, hard work, investment, and selflessness. It's an analogy of what you can build if you are willing to set a goal, create a vision, and never give up on the day-to-day tasks that are at times routine and mundane, but eventually build masterpieces. I can't even imagine or attempt a guess at how many nuts and bolts hold Forever Direct together, but I am grateful to the men and women that were dedicated and disciplined to make sure they were all tight and in the right place. I am not sure where your own dirt field is. I sincerely hope you have one. A blank canvas that allows you to build upon and create your forever. Stick to the basics. Use the products, sell the products, sponsor, achieve and teach your 4 CCs, and go for Eagle Manager. Over time, your dirt field will become an award-winning business that will reward you and those you love.